start off by asking you what your advice would also be for investors. I know you like to invest thematic and kind of look past a lot of the noise here. Where are you on investing today with all of this back and forth going on?
We're extremely cautious about stocks. We have most of our long positions in volatility, which we believe is extremely underpriced here, has a lot of upside potential. As it relates to an investing strategy at this point, there are several tipping points where we stand. We stand at a tipping point of a new potential president and a new concept of how to manage the fiscal situation with COVID and then the health situation as well. We have a very tense public, socially speaking. These are very, very important themes that are going into this election and will dictate how markets behave. And then, of course, we have a very high valued tech market, which has dominated most of the returns in investor portfolios. If we look at this in a macro picture, the bull market, which began in earnest in March of 2009, has put a lot of money in people's portfolios. And that money primarily has been generated from tech. And tech here is a weak point going forward because of the valuation. And so we are very cautious with stocks. We are urging our investors and other institutional investors as well to introduce volatility as a hedge and or potential upside for growth.
All right. I know that Charlie likes Viacom. He likes Goldman Sachs' investments here. He hates long-term bonds. We've talked about that. James, give me a couple of your names are obviously more tech-focused.
Right.
Tell me, for instance, why you think people should still invest in Zoom.
Okay. So if we look at risk in the market, it's not the first time. And in 2001, 2008, there were huge successful tech companies that got hammered: Microsoft, Dell, Amazon. And we believe that we'll get through this. We do see some short-term pressure in the market, but when we come out of that, we've got new generational names like Zoom Communications. We're all using Zoom, just like we all used Microsoft Office. We like Datadog to manage cloud applications. Cloud applications will be so critical in cloud management as most interactions and entertainment and computing happens in the cloud. We like Beyond Meat as a non-tech name. Over 90% of people who eat artificial meat aren't necessarily vegetarians, and so we think this is a generational opportunity. And these are names, including DocuSign as well, where we're all using the products, and our adoption of these products is going to accelerate. And so we do like those names for buys as we get pressure in tech to come back in.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.